All right, so this is your Unit 8 review. So the table below each represents a different rule. So table 1 is when x is 3, y is 15, 4, 20, 5, 25, 6, 30. So I can tell right now table 1 is being multiplied by 5. So it'd be 5x. Table 2 is when when x is 3, y is 15, 4, 16, 5, 17, 6, 18. So this is going up by 12. So it's not a multiplicative, it's an additive. So that's x plus 12. And it says which table represents a multiplicative rule. So basically get rid of A and C because they're saying they're adding 12. That's not correct. And B is table 1 because it's multiplying by 5. Okay, 2. And one day, Xavier rode in 4 different taxis from the same taxi company. He recorded how much each taxi costs in the ride in the table below. Which statement about the quantities in Xavier's table is true? The cost of the taxi ride is a dependent quantity. That is true because the cost of the ride depends on how many miles it went. So that part's true. And the distance that the taxi has traveled is the independent. Okay, that is a true statement. G, the cost of taxi is independent. No, it depends about the amount of miles you go. H, the distance that taxi has traveled and the cost are both independent. No, you have to have one independent, one dependent. And then J is wrong as well because they say both are dependent. So F. Number 3, the table below shows the capacity of commercial containers of milk in milliliters and liters. Based on the information in the table, which equation best represents the relationship between the milliliters of X and liters Y? So when there's a 4,000 milliliters, there's 4 liters, 5,000, 5, 7,000, 7, 11,000, 11. So basically they're dividing by 1,000. Myron used a table to show the number of days left until the last day of school and compared to the number of days left until his birthday. So there's 42 days left of school. And then there's 52 days left until Myron's birthday. And then there's 36, 46, 31, 41, 22, 32. So basically, Myron's birthday is 10 days after school ends. So you're going to add an additional 10 days. Hold on. I think I got my independent and dependent mixed up because they have these backwards. So it says M represents the days until Myron's birthday, which is these numbers. So they're going from here to here. So it means we're subtracting 10. My apologies. I'm usually used to going from left to right, not right to left. All right, the price of each cupcake at Quick Mart is $1.50. Which graph represents the pricing? So if you buy 1 cupcake, it's $1.50. If you buy 2 cupcakes, it should be $3. If you buy 4, it should be $4.50. And so on. So this one is not right because your number of cupcakes isn't going up. So here, they said if you buy 3, it costs you $2. No, that's not right. Here, it should be going up as well. So this is the only one that shows you at 2, it's 3, 4, 4, and so on. So it's going up by 2s. Okay, Walter makes a cable payment of $84 each month. Remember, each month means to multiply. Which table represents the relationship? So at 1 month, it should be 84. So I'm going to make my own table. X is the months. Y is cost. Y is always cost. So at 1 month, it should be 84. At 2 months, it should be double that. So I'm going to do 84 times 2, which is 168. And then 3, which would be 84 times 3, 252, and so on. So let's see if we can find this information. So 1's 84, 2's 168, 3's 336. Oops, nope, that's too much. 3 is 252. Okay, that's good. I haven't gone to 6 or 9. Let's see if I can disprove the other ones. 2 is 168. Then it went to 4 months. No, that's not possible. Okay, and then I think they got these numbers switched around, so that's not right. So G is correct. Okay, 7. The table shows the values that represent a relationship between X and Y. So when X is $12 or 12, Y is 50 cents. Then when X is 22, it's 10.50 33.75, 22.25. So what you could do is you can actually take these answer choices and plug it in. So when X is 12, you should get Y as $1.50, or excuse me, 50 cents. So Y here, 12 plus 11.50 comes out to 22.50. That's not the same Y, so this is wrong. So here, Y is equal to 1/24 times 12, which actually comes out to 0.5. So let's see if that's true for all the other ones. So we can do Y is equal to 1/24 times 22. And then you get 0.91. So no, this is not right. Next one is you subtract. So you're going to do 12 minus 11.50, which is 50 cents. And then the next one would be 22 minus 11.50, which is 10.50. All right, so C might be correct. And D says you multiply by 12 and then subtract it. That's not correct. So C is the best answer. All right, number 7. Which of the following coordinates does not lie on the trapezoid? Okay, so you have this trapezoid. First coordinate is 0, 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. All right, that's good. G is -1, +1. -1, +1. Okay, H is 2, -1. 2, -1. Okay, it does not lie within. It's on the line. Just make sure, let's prove J is wrong. J is -2, -4. Right here. So J is the only one. Does not lie within the trapezoid. All right, number 9. Line PQ is graphed on the coordinate plane below. Which of the following coordinates does not lie on PQ? So A is 0, 1. 0, -1, which is right here. That's actually on the line. B is 4, 2, which is right here. So B is most likely the answer, but let's disprove C and D. C is -3, -2. Right there. And then D is -5, -3. Hold on. Okay. Huh. I don't know if that's true too. Maybe I messed up. No. It should be B. Okay. Points A, B, and C are vertices of rectangle ABCD. So which one would be the fourth? So the fourth one would be right here, which would be 3, -1. Good. All right, that is your review. If you have any questions, let me know.